Let's carry on. Let's put a 5-sided polygon on the front side of the part. So we're going to go back to the program. After our transform plane in, we're going to insert a rotary transform plane, and now we're going to work on the front side of the part. Again, when we ended the last transform plane, everything reverted back to the top side center. So now we're going to program something on the front side. And I think I want to use this bottom left corner of the front side as my 0. So I need to give some values for my transform plane. So my x is now going to be a -3 inches. I'm going to go all the way to the left side of the top of the part. My y will again be a -3, bringing me to the front of the part. And then my z will still be a -6, dropping me straight down. So, So I'm going to go to my transform plane. I'm going to put a -3, a -3 for my y, and a -6 for my z. I'm rotating to the front side this time. So I'm rotating around the x-axis. And I'm going to the front, so it's going to be a +90. Again, anything front and right is positive, anything back and left is negative. And I leave the other two rotary angles 0. We can use those, and later we'll talk about ways that we can use those. But for now, all I'm doing is rotating to the front side and orienting to that, rotating to the front side and relocating my origin point to the front bottom left corner. Next block is going to be my milling polygon. That's a mill slot. Delete that. Insert milling more polygon. 5-sided polygon. The center will be x of 3, y of 3. I'm going to do the side length of 3 inches again. Orientation angle 0. Tool 1, pocket boundary. Now that I'm done machining what I need to on that side, I could continue on and do a holes block, do some patterns, mill the face, do some engraving, whatever I need to do. Now, NC merge, I could merge an NC program here now. It's a good way to take a 3-axis program that you've used on a previous machine and put that same feature on the front, right, or back or something of a part or on an angle. But I've finished everything that I need to create on this front of this part for this particular part that I'm running. So I'll go to the next block, rotary transform plane end. And I hit draw. Now I have a 5-sided polygon on the front side. Now I would just continue to do this same transform plane, milling blocks, whatever features I need to do, transform plane end. Transform plane, new 3-axis milling blocks, transform plane end. I would continue to do this until everything on the part was machined as I needed it to based on the print that I'm trying to machine.